Welcome into Monday. Monday. Okay, I'll stop singing to you. Today we are continuing our trek down the digestive system. So you hopefully yesterday or on Friday finished up your notes, so you know all about the major organs of that digestive system and some of those minor organs like the gallbladder and the pancreas and the liver that kind of help digest all the food that we eat. Today you're going to do a little bit more and put some of those ideas hopefully into practice. So you can see on Power School today for Monday, October 5th, here is our directions. You're going to explore your digestive system just a little bit more using Cami. Here's me pointing for you. Got a little pointer stick. Sorry. Down here, digestive system Cami. Cami has so far been the best way to allow you to do things like draw. So you're going to see a lot more Cami stuff come out because we like to draw stuff in science. And you're going to have to diagram your digestive system today. So get those drawing sticks ready for your laptop. But here we go. Over on to Cami. You will see it's structured exactly like a Kessler Station Lab that you have seen in the past, because that's exactly what it is. However, they were nice and did it so that it was virtual friendly, I guess is the best way to put it. So this is the virtual friendly version of the lab stations. So the first thing you're going to do right here is the watch it. And yes, this link will work directly from your Cami page. You don't have to go anywhere. You're just going to click the link and watch from itself how the body works. And then here on the side are your 3 questions. So you're going to grab your handy text box and you can just put, oops, how about just a text box? You're going to click your text box and you can put them right there and answer those 3 questions. Okay. As you go down, you have your read it. And this is nice because now you can bust out that highlighter. You can highlight and mark up. Okay. You can highlight your reading and all of those important things. Like anytime you see those bold prints, it's important stuff. So chemical digestion, mechanical digestion, there's some enzyme talk there. The pharynx, remember that's this part. All of that is there. So, and as you can see here, it says jot down your notes and drawings. How are you going to help drawing? How are you going to help remember mechanical digestion? What is it? What's an enzyme? What is chemical digestion? And what part is your pharynx? So all of those, and it says you can use the sketch scribble button. So use the little drawing tool there. But draw it out. See if you can figure out how to help you remember with a drawing. And then there is more, that peristalsis we've talked about, that squeezing. And again, you're going to doodle, make a doodle to help you remember peristalsis. All right, and then you're going to keep going. After you've done your read it, you've got 3 questions there. All I need over here in your answers is your A, B, C, or D. And not too hard. The explore it, you've got the diagram of your digestive system. And what you're going to do is explore each part. So at position A, food enters your mouth, it's right here. And it's going to ask you, is this mechanical digestion, chemical digestion, or both? So hopefully putting it together from that reading with mechanical and chemical digestion, which one is it? And then you're going to look at position B and so forth, going through all the major parts of your digestive system until you get down here. I learned that food flows through the body by. Okay, so then you're going to summarize. Get yourself a nice big text box and just kind of tell me, how does food move from your mouth all the way through your digestive tract and out as waste? Okay, and then the illustrate it, you're going to illustrate right here. Get those little drawing tools ready. You are going to draw this little guy's digestive system. So when we illustrate, we are going to label as well. And here is where you're going to label. Okay, explain the function of each part. So you should have all, should have all the parts to your digestive system, at least all the major parts to your digestive system on this little guide with their functions. What do they do? I hope you have fun with your little doodle tools today because it's a lot of doodle, and we will see you tomorrow.